In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your bill payments using QuickBooks with ease. Let's dive in and navigate this step-by-step journey together, ensuring that you can manage all your bill payments seamlessly and efficiently right from your QuickBooks account. To kick things off, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to QuickBooks. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks website address. Once there, make sure to log in with your account credentials to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you're just a few clicks away from mastering bill payments. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your eyes to the menu. From here, look for and click on the section labeled Bill Payments. This section is essential because it's where all your payment transactions will be housed and managed. Clicking on this menu option will take you to the place where you can handle everything related to paying your bills. The next action is crucial. Within the Bill Payments section, you'll want to click on Activate Bill Pay Basic. Selecting this option lets you unlock the fundamental tools QuickBooks provides to streamline your payment processes. If you've wondered how people make their billing operations easier, this feature could be part of their secret. Activating Bill Pay Basic equips you with the necessary functionalities that help ensure your bills are taken care of accurately and on time. Proceeding further, you'll then select the Bills tab on the QuickBooks interface. This section is where all your current and upcoming bills are visible. It's like having a well-organized filing cabinet, but online and easily accessible. Here you can review details regarding each of your pending bills. A quick glance will inform you about due dates, amounts, and recipients, allowing you to plan your finances more effectively. Now, onto the final yet pivotal step: paying your bills. Within the Bills section, you should see an option labeled Pay Bills. By clicking this, you're able to initiate the process of settling your accounts. It's a straightforward process that QuickBooks has designed to be user-friendly, providing peace of mind as you know you're staying on top of your financial obligations. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to navigate QuickBooks for bill payments, but you've also equipped yourself with a method to keep your finances in check. Remember, the more comfortable you become with this process, the more efficiently you can manage your business's financial health. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials if you wish to expand your QuickBooks skills.